What's up, gang? Back with another video. So I'm standing behind my truck. As you guys know, been following my channel for a while. I have a 2024 2500 HD High Country Silverado. But if you look at this truck bed, even though it's 24, it doesn't look the best. I did get these caps to fill those in off of Amazon. I'll drop a link down for those. And obviously I have a roll-up cover, but the owner before me didn't have a cover, and the bed's taking a toll. Because it doesn't look very pretty, I went out and picked this up from, I call it Lasfit. I'm going to put this bed liner in my truck real quick. I'm going to show you how easy it is. Alright, so this is the back of it, and that's clearly the front. I'm just gonna take it, lift it. So it will, when heat, it will lay down better, but I do want to go ahead and show you guys how well it fits around the edges. So even over here where this, the handle's at, it tucks underneath really nicely around all these edges here. Same thing on this side here, nice Lasfit logo. It's got like a little notch there just to go below that. Down around this corner, same thing here. It's just a little notch there for that. Lines up back here perfectly. Even notched it up right there. If you can see, it's getting a little bit dark. But again, it's still got some waves in it because it's, I'm in Indiana. It's 34 degrees out right now.
I'm so cold that I can use my nose drippings as a pair of chopsticks.
All right, y'all, it's been a couple weeks. I've been running around with this Lasfit bed liner in my truck. I gotta take this trash out, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like once I'm all done. All right, so if you see, it's laid down really well in my truck. Comes right to the edges here, and notice how to climb back here and get that stuff because it held onto it tight. All right, gang, let's wrap it up. So that's a super easy install. I will drop the link down below. If this video is helpful to you, it would help me a bunch if you hit the like button. If you like this type of content, I've got all kinds of stuff coming up for not only the Silverado behind me, but my F-150 as well. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well. I think you'll like what you see. But anyway, if you've not done so already, hit me up on social media. I'm out there at F150_boss on TikTok, Instagram, and you name it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I'd love to see a photo of your build. If it's something you're working on, you're proud of, I want to showcase it on my show here the next round. But you guys, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for your support. I want you all to have an awesome day.